store. Here.
Sophia.
Can I go to the store?
Ma.
I hate when you do extreme close-ups like that. It doesn't look natural.
Here are the feet. Oh, the feetsies. And the chunks.
Vito. Sophia's impression of Vito. Oh, I love you.
Do you lift her up, sit her up? Gia's like,
I don't even want to be in
nobody knows.
this. Look, my fatness.
Thank you. Sophia. Mommy.
Look at the feetsies.